What's going on, everybody? Brian Mann here, Hands-On Auto Trading. This is the end of the day, February 11th, 2022. Guys, it is Uscope Drawing Giveaway Day. This is one of the last two Uscopes we're going to give away. Just so you know, Chase M, I still have your Uscope here that you won, 3 or 4 weeks ago. So I'll get that out to you if you get a hold of me. If you don't get a hold of me before this contest is over, we're going to do another drawing and somebody else will get to win. Now, this drawing's for anybody who's entered in through the Hands-On Auto Trading Core or Premium membership. So Uscope's a pretty powerful tool, pretty cool stuff. Guys, I got the names in the bucket right here, ready to go. First, I want to tell you guys, I did put that video up, the cool tool video, less than $15. The link to that video is in the description below. Be sure to check that out. Also, the rest of this week, as I had a couple good diagnostic videos I put up earlier, the rest of my week was pretty, I guess you could say, boring programming. I didn't really make end-of-day videos too much and put a lot of effort into that, so I was just doing a lot of programming. One of the interesting jobs that I didn't document much with video was a 2010 Ford Fusion that was a no crank, no start, no communication with a powertrain control module. It did have a theft light that was flashing on the cluster, and getting into this thing just a little bit, I found out that this thing had a lot of corrosion issues. Check this out. The seat literally ripped out of the floor. So we found a couple bad splices here for the CAN bus, got that fixed up. That was a good one. So premium members, next Thursday, 2/17/2022 at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're going to have our premium member meeting, and I will discuss, we'll do a case study of that Ford Fusion and how I got to the bottom of it. How would I know where to look is what it comes down to. Guys, I might go ahead and put together that case study and also share it with core members, but premium members, we will discuss that live and talk about that. So let's get on to our Uscope drawing. This is for the Uscope drawing giveaway for any core or premium members. Let's see here. We have Carol L. Carol L, you are the winner of the Uscope, so I will be sending you out a Uscope to Carol L. Congratulations. If I get, basically I'm going to go ahead and send you a email. I need to get your mailing address and all that stuff, and then I'll send this Uscope to you. It's a great little tool. I really think it's good. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, be sure to let me know. Everybody have a great weekend. Bye-bye.